anniversary to you. And then,
Happy anniversary.
I love you, Kuya Eric, and also, very innocent. Very innocent. I love you too. You too.
This. English.
English? Good morning here. Good evening.
There.
What I say is,
What I say?
talaga namang, walang Tagalog English lang
English.
Paano bang ban? Hindi kasi ko fluent sa English
Okay lang.
Medyo naloloko ko. Mahina ako sa arithmetic. Dito, happy birthday. Wala kasi kami masabi na
Thank you.
Thank you sa lahat ng mga support. Thank you sa lahat ng mga sa lahat. Dahil kasi kung wala kayo, wala rin kami ganito. Lahat ng mga nasa amin, alam ko namang ito'y galing lahat sa inyo. Dahil sa inyo, naging nakakaraos kami. Mahirap talaga. Hindi kakasya yung salitang thank you. Talagang walang sapat na salita sa isang salitang pasalamat. Talagang super na maraming salamat kasi hindi kayo nagsasawa sa amin. Kumisan niya dapat yung mga tungkulin ko hindi ko na ibibigay sa kanila. Kayo ang nagtutulong. Kaya si Aling Carol, kahit ganyan na talaga yan. Wala na tayong magagawa dyan. Mabait naman talaga siya katulog.
So, belated happy anniversary to you and Tess. We haven't greet you because all I know is October 28th is your anniversary. So, but October 21 pala. So, belated happy anniversary to you and Tess. We pray that we'll stay happy together and happy birthday again to you. We love you all. We love you.
We love you, Kuya Eric. Happy birthday. Pagod. Thank you for all. Thank you for all the love. Thank you for all the support that you gave us. Thank you for not... Tagalog na lang kasi. Then, salamat Kuya Eric. Alam ko kahit na hindi mo masyado naiintindihan Tagalog, mas ma-appreciate mo ang salitang Tagalog kapag sinabi namin mahal na mahal ka na.
We love you.
I love you, Tito Eric. And birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
How old are you now?
How old are you now? Happy birthday, happy birthday.